I've just made some yummy cookie dough power balls, which are, of course, absolutely delicious and taste like cookie dough because I use Maca powder in them. I was also sent some really nice chocolate chips from a company called Nibble. They sent me a bag. They're so delicious that when I went to get the bag out, I decided they had all been nibbled by somebody else, and it was my husband who'd found them in the cupboard and been putting them on his breakfast. So I had to rescue the rest of my Nibble chocolate chips and make them into these lovely power balls. These Nibble are made from Madagascan chocolate, and they contain a lot less sugar than your regular chocolate chips you'll find in the supermarket. So the Powerball recipe is on my link in bio under free recipes. You can download it. They're literally made from almonds, medjool dates, vanilla, maca, a little bit of salt and chocolate chips. And the cookie dough flavour comes from the maca. The maca, I use Naturia, but you can use any type of maca. But the maca gives it this sort of buttery, malty butterscotch flavour. So it really tastes like cookie dough. And they actually do. They taste just like you're eating cookie dough as a child before you've put it in the oven. But these are the virtuous kind. No refined sugars, no flour in here. Just natural ingredients, vitamins, minerals, protein. So they're going to be good for you. And they're delicious. So please try them. The recipe's in the link in bio.